Hi, welcome dear students to first video of chapter 9. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss about introduction of internet, birth of internet, what is www, website and web pages, URL and web browser. Let us discuss one by one introduction of. So internet is a global network of computers that connects millions of computers. Internet, talking about the internet, so internet, millions of computers connected around the world. Global network of computers. So worldwide, when we talk about the internet, so internet is a global network of computers and that connects millions of computers. So in other words, the internet is a collection of computers all over the world that form a network to share data using common software standards. A certain a standard, there is a protocol. So the internet is a collection of computers all over the world. You can see here the is now birth of the internet. So internet is not a recent innovation. It started as a ARPANET. And we're talking about internet. 1970s, the US Defense Department established an agency for research and analysis in the field of defense. So there was a big problem when they started with the defense department. They initially found a problem while they want to share the resources. This was the initial problem. So this agency was named as the Advanced Research Project ARPA. You say AR, Advanced Research Project Agency. And the ARPA has set up a network of computers between different offices of defense department to exchange and share the important information. What was the initial problem? They were not able to share the resources. For example, different people, four people sitting in a different location, and or we can say the different office says they are how they communicate, how they find the difficulties while they want to share the resources. So our defense department to exchange and share the important information. Okay. So this network of computer was called the ARPANET. So this agency was named as the Advanced Research Project Agency. A for Advanced, R for Research, E for Project, and for Agency. Right? And now, what is WWW? And we say that WWW, the World Wide Web, the World Wide Web, or we can say WWW, or can say W3. W3 or a wave refers to the massive collection of multimedia information available over the internet. We are talking about the information, the form of the text we get, image, or audio, video. So the World Wide Web is often referred to as the internet. They are actually two different things. When we're talking about the internet and the www, so they are two different things. Let us discuss uh, the difference. What is the www and internet? So internet is a global collection of the computers, right, that transfers information, and the World Wide Web is a small part of the internet. Okay, so internet is a global collection, and the worldwide is a small part of the internet. So World Wide Web refers to the document and related multimedia rich information that uses a specific internet protocol called hypertext transfer protocol. No, hypertext transfer protocol. So worldwide use the refers to document and related multimedia rich. How we able to get the information from the internet? So now we discuss first of all the website and the web pages, and we better to understand how it works. So web pages is the basic unit of every website. Web pages, as you already know, the web pages. What are the website and web pages? So a web page is comparable to a page in a book. Just like in a book, we have a multiple pages. Pages. So web page is comparable to the pages in the book, right? So also you see when the pages, you can see the text, image, and web page may contain text, image, photographs, sounds, or video. These pages are displayed through the HTML. How we display these pages are displayed through the HTML, right? And the website is a collection of web pages. Uh, Website, how we create website is using the HTML. We can create the web page, and the website is a collection of the web pages. And the first, when we talk about website, the first page of the website, which is displayed by default, is called the home page. The first page when you open the website, and first page is called the home page. And as you know, the web is a collection of websites. Web is a collection of websites. So there are millions of websites that contains many web pages. There are million of web pages over the internet. When we search, sometimes you search, going to search on the search engine, you say the various links. When you just type the questions, and you see the various result, and you simply go to a particular link and click, and you will get the answer. So because there are millions of websites that contains many web pages. Now URL, what is URL? It says simply URL or Uniform Resource Locator. URL. So what is URL? Each web page or website has a unique address called a Uniform Resource Locator or URL. So the URL is the specific address of the web page. When we're talking about then google.com, flipkart.com, facebook.com, yahoo.com. To access a website, you first need to enter its web address. Web address, that is the URL. In the address bar of the browser, just type the address bar of the browser. So URL, you already familiar, we get about the URL. Now, what is the web browser? Web browser. So a browser, short for web browser, is a computer program that accesses web pages and displays them on your computer screen. Web browser. After the browser sends a request to the server for a specific web page, it receives the information in a small piece and then interprets a special commands that format the information and display the web page. So we are familiar with the web browser, different web browsers we use to send a request. And as you know, that when you send a request, you get a response from where? Get a response from the server. Right. So this is say client server approach. Request, when you send a request, you get a response from the server. Or whenever you type some URL, type some specific web page address, you get the information from the server. Okay. So now I hope you are able to understand the basic concept of the how internet, what is the introductions and the components of internet, that is the www and we say web pages, URL and the web browser. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Bye for now. See you in the next class.